Hey you guys, good morning healthy people. Happy Monday, February 4th, 2019. Today's journal prompt question is a little bit different than what you're going to find on the website, but today's question is, have you ever tracked the foods you ate for 1 week? Why or why not? What was the outcome? What tracking method did you use? So you basically need to journal for 3 minutes or more. It's up to you. But yeah, we want to know, have you ever tracked your foods for 1 week? Why or why not? If yes, what was the outcome? Was there a benefit there or not? And what tracking method did you use? Okay, begin now. I'm journaling with you guys. Okay, so basically this kind of reminded me of something from the time that I did track my food before, and it wasn't even a full week, but it was enough to see what I kind of already knew, that I eat too much. But when you see it, it's like, oh wow, I really do eat too much. And so after I went over my results, I was able to say no. Like, I had more willpower to say no to food because I realized I was only eating because I clearly wasn't hungry, because it was just little silly stuff like snacking here and there, but all that stuff adds up. But anyways, share your story below. Hopefully you journaled with me at least for 2 to 3 minutes. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Wishing you healthier, happier habits.